Hello everyone, welcome back to the tips. In this video we're going to talk about how to fix Fortnite Chapter 3 widescreen on console as well as on a PC when you're trying to play Fortnite Chapter 3, and we're going to talk about how to fix this up. So as you can see that there is one simple step which you have to try out. So you just have to go to the library. Now as you can see, I'm installing the Fortnite right now, so it's not yet fixed. Not installed, it's not completed, but just one step which you can try out is I'll be showing that with Valorant because this is installed on my PC, it's not installed. So what you have to just have to click on three dot menu over here on a Fortnite. Don't get confused, I'm showing with Valorant. Click on three dot menu and just have to go for verify over here. So it's going to get verified. Once this the verify is done for the Fortnite, you just have to open the game, and most probably the issue regarding widescreen on console as well as on PC will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.